Welcome to a discussion of TCP/IP and all of its essential ingredients. This is the course introduction. Let's see what we're going to do in this course. Well, we want to establish a business case for TCP/IP. Since it's everywhere, then we're reasonably assured that it has been successful in performing a lot of its networking duties. This course also provides a comprehensive knowledge base that is essential in understanding communications technology. In this course, we'll discuss all aspects of TCP/IP standards, the technical fundamentals, and how TCP/IP is deployed and is in operation in a lot of packet-based infrastructures. Our objectives in this course are to go over the principles and the protocols associated with data communications. This is how it got its start. We'll explain the origins from inception on up to how we got to TCP/IP today. And we'll show how to transport TCP/IP in both a local area network and a wide area network environment. There's a suggestion that there should be some previous experience associated with networking, and in this case, the data communications and, of course, in telecommunications are recommended. Let's take a look at the different topics that we'll cover in this particular course. There are many, so let's go through a list. That way you can pick and choose to see what the areas that you'd like to spend a lot of time with. We'll take a look at TCP/IP from a historical standpoint and see how the standards evolved, and that'll be our first task. We'll also get a comfort level with data communications processes and some of the protocols we see there. We'll then move on to see how the Department of Defense model was set up, which became TCP/IP, and see what lower layer functions exist in this particular model. Very important for us, though, is if we use TCP/IP is to make sure that this is compatible with transport over a local area network as well as a wide area network environment. An important ingredient in some wide area network technologies is that of ATM, asynchronous transfer mode. So we'll spend just a little bit of time talking about its behavior and see why that's critical for some applications that might be transported over TCP/IP. We'll discuss how we process a header in TCP and in IP, and take a look at the actual packet forwarding processes that are involved in relaying information from a source to a destination. Take a look at the utility and the functionality of TCP/IP. What can we use it for? And a very important ingredient here, at least in version 4 IP, is that of the subnetting processes, and we'll understand what takes place there. A suggested curriculum path here is looking at both the Datacom and Telecom courses as a prerequisite for the discussion of TCP/IP in all of its different flavors. So introduction level of TCP/IP is the TCP/IP Essentials. Then we'll take a look at how do we get to version 6 IP, discussing the migration strategies, the migration methods that are available. And then we'll take a look at TCP/IP in action. So there are some exercises that can be downloaded to test your knowledge of certain parts of TCP/IP. These can be downloaded from the pay-per-click links that you will see. Remember, at any time, if you have questions or want to make a comment, go out to GoGo and use the question comment box. So let's get started.